Alright guys, so the work has begun for the preparation of the concrete slab. But before that we had to chew into that hill in the back to give me space to do the snow removal around the garage. And at the same time we put in that other culvert that I was talking about. So now we'll really do that full circle without having to go around a hole and falling over with a bundle of wood. So we're gonna go see that. I'll give you a bird's eye view. Look at that. So we had two trees here and there was a pretty big gap over here where you can see the rock. So now that gap is that 20-foot culvert we just put in. And usually where the grass is, I had put this so that it stays here, but we backed it up and the guy puts a slope on it. So that everything stays in place. I'll probably cut down a couple of trees here again and leave the stumps there to hold everything back. But things are looking awesome. Look at that. Huge yard for trucks to come in by the front or come in by there, go around. And the garage will be right here, but even there we can go around. So that will be very awesome with any type of trailer, with some lumber for the wood drying business. So all this lump will go, so it'll give us the space to go around, all around, which is really great. So now we're taking up all the property. Where you see those flags, that's where the property ends. And way over there are some flags over there. So yeah, we've got some and there's the culvert. So we're gonna go pretty much all the way over there with some material, probably build around there. It'll be a whole day, a staging area or something here, but really nice. So the garage will go here, so we'll have a place to really go around. Fantastic. So I'll be able to have all my lumber here, the trees delivered here, so I can do my wood milling. And then once it's cut, then I can put it in the garage, and that's going to be good. So it'll be awesome. There you go. Okay, so now all the excavation prep work for the concrete slab is done. Got some, once the slab will be poured, the formwork done, poured and everything, we have to bring back some gravel to put along just around it and finish it off. And these rocks will be put back down towards the culvert, and we're done. We're using up 100% of our property, so the culvert is done. We'll put some of that rock down there. So now where you see the sand is an extension of what we used to have. So what we didn't have, the gravel is where the actual yard was. So we're gaining quite a bit. So I'll be able to drive around, back up some trailers, receive some lumber for the dryer. So we had to postpone the form work. It was supposed to be today, but we had quite a bit of rain for almost all the morning up till noon. So they decided to postpone and do it just Monday. So this is the trench that I did to put this electric cable, 100 amps. That is going to hook up to the electric entrance from the dryer, the wood dryer. I'll show you. So the eye dry is here, so that's the entrance. So I'll be coming in over here to hook it up here. We'll put a 100 amp breaker, and that'll supply the electricity to the steel building. I'm not gonna have a lot of stuff in there. I'll have the equipment for the loader, the accessories, the snow blade, the wood splitter, the boat during the winter, and the trailer. So no more snow removing, like I said, and the lumber. So this type of lumber here will be able to be stored in there. So yep, it's gonna be pretty fun. Morning, guys. So things are moving along for the garage, the steel building. The formwork is done. They still need to put some rebar in there this morning. So I'm gonna go show you where they're at. Here's how the formwork is getting along. So you can see the backyard. So where the building will be. So the wire mesh is in there. There's still needs to be a bit of steel rods in there. That should be poured this week. I won't be here. I'm going to be on another construction site in Montreal. I'm waiting on a load of lumber from a woodworker. So I'm going to dry that over there in that building. So that's where we're at. And next weekend we should be erecting This isn't my excavator, by the way. I don't have an excavator anymore. It's the former guy's excavator. So we should be erecting this building next weekend. We'll be posting that also.